At a glance, the iPhone 16 Pro Max doesn't look or feel much different from the preceded it, and perhaps that's not to be expected. The competitive game of smartphones is now one of inches. The question is, can the small or even invisible changes add up to something big? In the early going with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, I'd say the answer is yes. While I took a few pictures, I can't offer anything definitive about the cameras. What I will say is that there is a good news in this updated camera array. Now we have two 48 megapixel cameras, one on the main fusion camera and another on the new ultra wide. There is also still the 12 megapixel 5x tetra prism lens. The main camera is reportedly faster than ever with virtually no shutter lag. Between that and the updated image pipeline, I expect photography on this big phone to be better than ever. I have not tried out the new cinematic slow motion, which looks insanely cool, nor did I get a chance to try the studio grade mics. I did see the latter in action and was impressed by how the in-frame setting could cut away any sound not coming from whatever was in the frame. I also thought the studio quality, which left in the background noises but emphasized the main subject's sounds, was quite good. The new 4K 120fps capable camera looks like it will transform how people take dramatic videos. I like that there is a new speed control that will allow for easier stepping up and down of playback speed. My takeaway from all these new photo and video tools is that this may be the ultimate pro videographer phone option. Apple, by the way, shot its entire glow time video presentation on an iPhone, and it's no wonder the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a powerful device with some serious skill. Is this the best iPhone Apple has ever made? Possibly. It will certainly claim a spot near the top of our best iPhone list and maybe even best smartphones. I will offer my definitive take when I finish my full review. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.